alisin natin yan. Okay, ganito. Kami mga pare, come and go. And that's why what we need is to make you leaders. Okay? Gawin namin kayong mga leaders. But I tell you this, don't make yourself indispensable. Ibig sabihin na pag wala na kayong tapos na ang komunidad. No. I tell you this. The strength of any parish, the strength of any community does not depend on the leader. It depends on every member. Naliwanag po ba yan? Kasi, ito. Halimbawa, hintay natin sinasabi ni Father, wala sinasabi si Father, wala tayong gagawin. It is position, but convictions. Naliwanag po ba yan? So, ibig kong sabihin sa inyo ay ito, ano? Kayo mga leaders, but the strength of being a leader is in every member. Pag wala yung member, walang lakas ang komunidad.